I will teach you two methods of wrapping moi moi with leaves like a pro. First, we want to start with the leaves. Cut the stems off one by one. Don't throw them away, we will still use them later. Then wash all the leaves with water and white vinegar. You can also use baking soda. Please make sure you clean it like 2 to 3 times. You can see how dirty the water is here for the first wash, so I'll clean it again. This is the third time and it's very clean now. So while the leaves are draining, let's blend our beans. Add your peeled beans in the blender. I made a video on how to peel beans easily before this video. Please check it out. Then add onions, add pepper. You can also use red bell pepper or tatashe. For me, I prefer only pepper. Add some water, then blend it till it's very smooth. After blending, pour in a bowl. We'll be adding some boiled egg, boiled mackerel fish, corned beef, and Titus sardine. You can use your fork to mash it like this and add to the blended beans. Add seasoning cubes, add salt, add some vegetable oil and palm oil. I love to mix both vegetable oil and palm oil together because it gives it extra flavor and sweetness. You will then mix it together very well till it's well combined. Now in your pot, add the stem that we cut out from the leaf. Add some water, then layer like 2 leaves on top of the water and stem. This will make the moi moi steam well, and you can also use a steamer if you have one. Now for the first method, you need just 1 leaf. Cut out the stem exactly the way I'm doing in this video. If you don't cut it out, it will break your leaf and the moi moi will leak out. Now fold it from the bottom of the right side to the middle beside the stem in a V shape like this. Then from the middle all the way to the back. Then bend a little bit of the bottom part to the back like this to form a cone shape. Just follow the exact way I did in this video and I'm sure you will get it. Then scoop some moi moi batter into the leaf. Then add some corned beef, some egg and fish. You can also add a little bit on top of it. Please don't add too much because we don't want it to spill out. Now fold the left side first, then the right side on top of the left, then fold the left side back on top of the right side again, then fold it all the way to the back exactly like this. As you can see, it's perfectly wrapped. Then arrange it in your pots. Now for the second method, we need 2 leaves. Sometimes you can find small ones among the leaves you bought. Don't throw them away, they are very useful. Now remove the stem again from the 2 leaves. Make sure you always remove the stem so that it won't break your leaf. Fold the right side of the leaf to the left side, then all the way to the back to form a cone. Then fold the second leaf and place it inside to cover the front part of the leaf at the back. Then fold the bottom of the leaf all the way to the back like this. This is what it will look like. Scoop some moi moi inside, add fish, corned beef and egg like we did the other time. Scoop more on top. Now cover the leaf in front inside like this. Then fold the left side on top of the right side, then the right side on top of the left, then fold the left side back on top of the right all the way to the back. You can also come to rewatch if you don't get it the first time. Just try the 2 methods and choose the one you prefer. Now arrange everything in your pot properly and do the same for the rest. I usually use the first method for big leaves, then the second method for small leaves. So you now cover properly with 2 or more leaves and with the pot cover. Make sure you cover it well. Now you want to cook this for like 45 to 50 minutes. Make sure you come back to check every 10 minutes to add water just right behind the leaves so that it won't get burnt. So after 45 minutes, our moi moi elewe is ready. I love to take this moi moi as a day hot. Just look at the corned beef, look at the egg, the fish. Gosh, this moi moi is very fluffy and delicious. Look at that. This leaf moi moi that Yorubas call moi moi elewe still remains my favorite anytime, any day. The sweetness and flavor is out of this world, honestly. If you have any question, you can drop it in the comment section. I will surely answer you. And don't forget to subscribe and like. Thanks for watching.